Copy. Copy, Jules Bangs.
Make it clear na yung ginawa ng yung idioto na congressman,
Copy.
subornation o perjury yan. He was suggesting, the mere suggestion of what he wants you to do is already a crime
Copy.
under the revised penal code. Yung inuudyok mo yung tao na mag-execute ng affidavit falsely or making a false narrative, subornation of perjury. Ito ko lang habulin yung congressman. Parang papailan ko ng kaso.
Copy.
Total, hindi ko na kailangan yung affidavit mo. Your narrative here is under oath. Hindi ko na kailangan yung affidavit mo. All I have to do is to take out your statement, the basis of filing a case.
Copy. Copy, Jules Bangs.
Yung masasabi nyo na paulit-ulit sinabi ni former President Duterte na subornation of perjury at sabi nga niya maghahain pa siya ng kaso against about this against you po, sir.
Copy.
Ano pong masasabi niyo ron at bakit po ba nung meeting wala ring abogado mismo? Kasi ang nasabi niyo po ang may abogado si Garma. Ba't po walang abogado si Grijaldo?
Kasi betting process pa lamang yun eh. Alam mo sa Kongreso, kinakausap muna namin and then kapag nalaman namin na pwede natin i-validate yung mga sinasabi niya, then the lawyers will come out. So, that time, wala namang lawyer na dala si Grijaldo during that time Ang may lawyer doon is si Garma. And that's the reason why we asked na kung pwede yung dalawang lawyer pumunta doon para at least transparent yung usapan. Now, kung nagsabi siya na, yes sir, kinokontrol ko po yan, alam ko po yung reward system. And then, bring your lawyer.
Copy.
Yun ang namin, yun ang sistema ng procedure namin sa betting Kasi otherwise, kung una pa lang may co-coerce na namin siya. Alam namin, babalikan kami niyan. We're not like that. And well, script nila yun Bahala sila doon. Well,
Copy.
of course, yung kanyang affidavit na kinoerce, hinaras, and under oath siya, mabigat yun. And we will do something. And this will be collective. I mean, not me, not him, but the whole of the Quadcom. Because the integrity of the Quadcom is at stake here. And we have done nothing wrong.
Nagagamit tayo sa TikTok
Copy.
Tama naman mga TikTokers ngayon, no? And medyo nakakahiya kayo.
Yes, okay yun. Ready naman po kami dyan. At yan nga, maganda nga yan para maliwanagan ang lahat Kung
Copy.
sinasabi nila sa coordination by perjury, tingnan natin po, mag-ready din po sila because we are about to take action also. Lalo na yung sa sinabi ni po ni Colonel Hector Grijaldo. Prepare din po siya because we will be going after him as well.
Copy.
Unfortunately, yung sinasabi niyang coercion and harassment, it never happened. Talagang wala na.
Copy.
Ang haba. Tingnan mo pa.
Unfortunately, yung sinasabi niyang
Copy.
Nakita niyo ba yung sentence construction niya dito? tingnan niyo.
na he accompanied me para at least transparent talaga yung usapan. Unfortunately, yung sinasabi niyang coercion and harassment, it never happened.
Copy.
Sayang! Hindi daw nangyari. Alam mo yung sinabi niya? Unfortunately, yung sinasabi niyang harassment and coercion, it never happened. Unfortunately! So, mas maganda pa na may harassment at coercion. Kasi pag may harassment or coercion, fortunately yon.